I'm gonna show you guys how I get my compost. Let me show you how rich this thing is. You see how rich it is? Watch. Plants is growing inside there. That's how rich this thing is. Okay? So you put this in the bed, and over the years it's gonna keep rotting and feeding the plant. So let's start from here. Okay, so now these are the stuff. These are the stuff I use. So I'm gonna get some and throw in the bed. Look at this. Rich man. You show me again from. So this is why I call my garden the organic garden, because the only thing I use is stuff that I get from the earth. Okay? Look at this. You use this and you mix this with the dirt, and man, that's what you want. That's what your plant needs. You don't need anything else, guys. Watch it. Rich and soft and nice. Watch. Look at this. I'm only gonna take what I need, and I'm gonna leave the rest and allow the tree to continue rotting. So by next spring, I'll be able to, this whole thing gonna be rotten. The whole tree gonna be rotten. So this is gonna be my compost for next spring. So I got almost 2 buckets full. So I'm gonna throw one in each bed. In each container. This make your plant them sweet, tasty. All right, so now 2 full buckets of compost. So I'm going to mix them with the dirt, and I'm going to plant some vegetables, and I hope you guys keep on watching my videos so you can get updates.